Climate change has happened. It's affecting skiing. The reasons for it are complex, but let's just see how one Scottish ski resort is dealing with it, using a mixture of technologies, a lot of goodwill, and cashing in on sheer enthusiasm.
Well, here we are at Glenshee, standing among the peace bullies who are actually used for creating the snow we're on, because the temperature is hovering just above freezing. It was snowing earlier and it's turned to rain. Now you might think that rain would be the death of any opportunity to go skiing, but you'd be wrong, because the snow temperature is actually quite low and the rain consolidates the snow underneath. So here we have it, with protests off from a child who didn't want to be taken off the snow, which says it all for Scottish skiing. Scottish skiing is a state of mind. It's the triumph of possibility over reality, and for that it's to be admired. I love Scottish skiing. I was an instructor here over 50 years ago, and I wouldn't change anything about it. Scottish skiing rests on a layer of enthusiasm which underlies the snow, poor though it is. Well, here they've opened up one chairlift for maintenance, which leads everyone to believe that hopefully there'll be some skiing on one of the other runs. Somehow I doubt it, but who cares? They're looking after the place. Highly commended, I think, don't you?
There are two different technologies. A snow factory, which takes ice, pulverizes it, and squirts it out through a hose, as you will see. And there are snow blowers, which will be explained in the context of the video. The fact of the matter is, we can have snow when it hasn't snowed at all, and this is exactly what Glenshee has done, to their credit, and to the credit of Scottish skiing as a whole.
Right, you can see here snowmaking in progress. Now, that hose squirting snow in the air is actually from a snow factory, and the temperature needs to be a bit above freezing for it to work effectively. Next to it is a snow blower, which, when the temperature is low enough, you can squirt a mixture of water and air through and it forms snow. And all this is man-made snow. It's rescued the skiing in a season where there hasn't been enough of the natural stuff. Hear that noise? It's snowmaking going on. Look at this queue. People obviously enjoy it and find it's worthwhile coming. And that is why Scottish skiing has a future. A lot of money has been spent on infrastructure here. And believe it or not, they've actually made money on it. This is remarkable, and I feel Scottish skiing will not just survive, but it will triumph.
I love Scotland. I love Scottish skiing. I lived in Scotland for a while, over 50 years ago, when I was in air traffic control, then a ski instructor. I currently live in Wales, which is lovely. I'm a fisherman, a sailor, a skier. But there's something about skiing. You don't have to be young to ski, but to ski will keep you young. There's actually a club for people over 100, and I intend to join it. Thank you.